it's true that NRM has achieved a lot in the region and national as well. Tomorrow is like the quarter guard for receiving the big man, the head of state, into Acholi sub-region. But as much as we have some gains, or we have gains to protect, we also have pending issues that the president must attend to. And these are issues that touch the local people so much. Every other single campaign that comes, there is this talk about the Acholi War Debt compensation. We need a clarity on who to benefit and when this compensation will really come to the beneficiaries. So many of them have died. Actually, we now have either secondary or tertiary claimants. The very primary claimants have gone. I am personally a claimant of my late grandparents. So we need the president to address himself to this matter, because we also hear there are some people who are going behind Acholi to claim they are more Acholi than the other Acholis. We should benefit from this. When you look at education in the north particularly, we have primary education that should be for free, UPE and USE. I think the president needs to address himself to this matter so clearly. Children are being chased from school, from government schools, in the name of PTA, contribution from parents. It has always been said, because I've been an RBC, a child does not choose who to parent them. But when I become a parent to a child, it is my primary responsibility to pay the PTA for the child. It is not the child to pay for themselves. So this, the president has to address himself to it, so that the school administrators know who is to pay the PTA, not chasing the child in the name of PTA. Thank you.